Using two-way audio. This video explains how to use two-way audio with Helix Eye. Two-way audio allows you to listen and speak through the camera using the Nomadic app. While viewing the live feed, audio from the monitored space can be heard through your mobile device. To speak through the camera, press and hold the microphone button on the screen. Speak clearly while holding the button. Release the button when you are finished speaking. Audio transmission is active only while the button is pressed. This provides controlled and intentional communication. Two-way audio can be used at any time while viewing the live feed. Refer to the user guide or contact support if additional assistance is needed.